Hey everyone, it is Crystal with Pineapple Papers, and I have a design team project for the scrap room. So I am using the flavors of the month for December. I am using the Simple Stories Hard Candy Christmas, and I have the flavors of the month. I have the embellishment kit and the pattern paper add-on. So I am starting with this red cardstock that came in the flavors of the month. It is cherry red cardstock. And then I'm using this pattern paper that is like the ledger paper. And I'm going to go ahead and I am going to fussy cut out the little ornaments. And I'm going to have them cascading on the right hand side of my little spread for my December daily. And then I'm taking that same paper and I'm cutting, I believe they are 3x4 pieces. Yes, because that would give me 3 of them. And I'm going to use the front side as well as the back side. So I trimmed my paper down to, I think it's 6x8. And so I just used one of the pieces that had come in my album and put the hole reinforcers in. And I am going to, that way I know exactly where I can put my stuff. Because obviously if I put my little flip areas here that I am putting down now, if I put that too close, then it wouldn't turn. So I'm going to start with the first flip, and I'm going to use from the sticker sheet. And that sticker sheet is from the embellishment kit. And I just used the border strip. And I flip them up, and here I'm just using regular Scotch tape to adhere the inside pieces so that they'll flip. I don't need to do the cute paper, even though I probably could. So we'll see maybe on the day when I actually decide what this spread is going to be about. I might choose to do that. We'll see. But this way, it actually gives me quite a bit of space to do probably like at least 3 photos. And I can do the journaling on the inside or the outside. And then, or I could do 6 photos and I would still have an area to do some journaling, because really each of them could be 3 different spots. So we'll see. So anywhere from 3 to 9 photos can make it on this. And it's fun because it's a little interactive. So, I do go ahead and add this to the bottom. And it's not stuck down to the red paper, so you still can lift it up, so you still have that option. I love this little candy cane, and so I'm going to put that on the bottom one. I was thinking maybe I wanted this foam one, but I end up just picking the die cut, and it is sticky, but it's not sticky enough that it's going to hold down the whole thing. So for my title from the foam pieces that I got in my flavors of the month, I'm going to pull out this Fa La La. I'm going to put it on 3 of the fussy cut ornaments out, and then I am going to glue those down because I am definitely deciding that is where those are going to go. And my candy cane's going to go on. And I do feel like it needs just a little bit more decoration. And I'm looking at the back to decide, do I want to put something on the back? I'm just doing the front side of this page yet. I'm not really sure where it's going to go. I grabbed one of the die cuts as an ornament as well, and I'm going to put that over to the left. And I got these green enamel dots in my kit, and so I'm going to put those on the tops of the ornaments where the little hole is. And then I decide to put a little tab up on the top. So I'm going to use one of the tabs from the sticker sheet. I did get a tab in my ephemera bit, so I did contemplate that, but decided that I liked the sticker one as well, or better. And then I'm just going to finish it off with these little like star stickers. And so I'm going to go ahead and scatter those about. And you can see I'm kind of trying to decide if I want to decorate the flips any bit more, and I do decide to add 3 of the tiny word stickers from the sticker sheet, and I pick a couple of the generic ones, so it really could be anything. So this one says 'tis the season, this one says joy to the world, and the bottom one says holly jolly. So there is my little interactive element. Oh yes, I got a little crazy there. It didn't get stuck down well, so I did tear it, but I'm going to tape right over it and you're not going to be able to tell at all. So here I am just fixing my little oops, and that's okay. So this is a look. I will have linked down below everything for the scrap room so you can get your hands on these kits. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. I love to chat with you. Here are those close-ups. I love the foam pieces on there. And remember to wear your crown. And I will see you next time. Bye.